Hi student, today we discuss about events of menstrual cycle. So in the menstrual cycle, there is a 26 to 28 day cycle which is occur in mammalian primates of female. So that it take place in mammalian primates like apes, monkey and human being. So in this cycle, which is last for 4 to 5 days in a month, and what happened in this cycle, that is a cyclic change in the ovary and uterus due to the effect of hormone. So due to the effect of hormone, the uterus wall and blood vessels are ruptured and uterus wall endometrium, that is degenerate, which is a long release through the blood. So that is called menstrual cycle. So that is a graph of menstrual cycle, that is event which is take place, and there is a hormone, and that is a effect of hormone in the ovary and uterus we discussed. So that is ovarian hormone. So that hormones which affect in the ovary, that FSH and LH, from which the hormone are secreted, that is commonly called as gonadotropic hormone, yeah, gonadotropin. We have discussed previously. So FSH and LH, that they are gonadotropin hormone released from the anterior pituitary. So these both hormones commonly called gonadotropin. So what is the level? What is the level of hormone during the time of ovarian cycle? So that is ovarian cycle. This cycle containing 3 phases. First is called follicular phase. Second is ovulation, ovulatory phase, and third is luteal phase. 3 phases are containing in ovarian cycle. In the follicular phase, that is take place in 1 to 13 days, where the development of Graafian follicle is take place. What happened? Graafian follicle developed. What is Graafian follicle? The mature follicle is called Graafian follicle. That one is mature follicle called Graafian follicle. So that is a primary follicle, primordial, primary, secondary and mature follicle. So in 14 days, this Graafian follicle is ruptured and release the ovum. That process is called ovulation. What is called? Ovulation. So the days of ovulation is 14 days. 14 days from the menstrual cycle. So that very important. What ovulatory phase? What when that Graafian follicle release the ovum from the mature follicle, that is called ovulatory phase. In the 14 days, LH hormone, which hormone? LH and FSH having a high level. These two the high level, but LH having high peak. LH reach to their high peak in the 14 days, that is called LH surge. What is called? LH surge. So LH hormone play an important role during the time of ovulation. So that is 2 phases, follicular phase, FSH play important role in the development of Graafian follicles and follicular cells. Then ovulatory phase, 14 days, and then last, that is third one, that is luteal phase. What happened in the luteal phase? In the luteal phase, if 2 cases is there, 2 events is there, if the fertilization is take place, first, if fertilization or pregnancy is take place, then if pregnancy is take place, then this corpus luteum is maintained and increase the secretion of hormone progesterone. Which hormone level is increased? Progesterone hormone level increase in the luteal phase. How? This hormone LH act on the corpus luteum and maintain the corpus luteum and increase the secretion of hormone progesterone. So in the luteal phase, what is the function of progesterone in the luteal phase? If pregnancy take place, then progesterone hormone cause uterus wall thick, 2 to 3 mm thick for the implantation for the pregnancy. So that event it happened. Second event, if fertilization does not take place. If the fertilization does not occur, then the progesterone level is slow down and is decreases, and it became, and carpus luteum degenerate and form carpus albicans. So that two events. If the question is there, what is carpus luteum? So remain part of follicle, the remain part of Graafian follicle is called carpus luteum. So that is carpus luteum. Remain part of Graafian follicle is known as carpus luteum. So that is three events: follicular phase, evolutionary phase, and luteal phase. In the follicular phase, the FSH play an important role. In the follicular phase, evolutionary phase, LH reach to the high peak, that is called LH surge, very important. In the luteal phase, if pregnancies take place, progesterone level and estrogen level is high. If pregnancy does not take place, progesterone estrogen level is decreases. That too. Next we move, that is uterine cycle and the effect of hormone. So in the uterine cycle, that is also containing three phases. First is called menstrual phase, mense. Second is called follicular phase, and third proliferative, and third is secretory phase. So in the uterine cycle, the effect of hormone, that is estrogen and progesterone, the menstrual phase take place 1 to 5 days. How many days? That is 1 to 5 days. That is called menstrual phase. There is two events in the menstrual, that is called menarche and menopause. What is called? Menarche and menopause. Very important. What is menarche? The first onset of menstrual cycle. The starts of menstrual cycle during the time of puberty in the girl, that is called menarche. And what is the menopause? When menstrual cycle are ceased and ovary fail to produce ovum, that is called menopause. It is take place in 45 to 15 years. That is different in the different women. That is generally called menopause. That is two events. After menstrual, when endometrium wall is break down and blood vessels are ruptured, then that is proliferative phase, which is similar as the follicular phase. So in the proliferative phase, that is take place in 16 to 13 days. That is proliferative. What happened in the proliferative phase? Estrogen, that is also called pre-ovulatory phase. The estrogen level is high. Which hormone? Estrogen level is high. What happened in estrogen, which repair the wall of endometrium 1 mm thick, repair the wall of endometrium. और इधर लो पास उतनी दूर सही है मैं पास किया wall of endometrium. So that is proliferative phase and repairing of the wall of uterus. Then that is secretory phase, which is take place in 15 to 28 days. That is called secretory phase. In this phase, similar as the luteal phase. What happened? That similar cases, if the fertilization or pregnancy take place, then the uterus wall endometrium goes to 2 to 3 mm thick for the implantation and attachment of the embryo. So that is called secretory phase. If fertilization and pregnancy does not take place, then what happened? Progesterone and estrogen level is decreases. So that is also three phases: menstrual phase, proliferative phase, and secretory phase. So one thing that you remain, follicular phase, that is 1 to 13 days. Sometimes that is if you retaining the pre follicular phase, that is 16 to 13 days follicular phase. Then 14 days evolution. Then 14 to 28 days, that is called luteal phase. Similar one, menstrual phase, that is 1 to 5 days. Then proliferative phase, similar as follicular phase, 6 to 13 days. Then secretory phase, 15 to 28 days. That is days, very important. So that is all about the events of menstrual cycle and some important points like menarche, menopause. what is the effect of hormone in luteal? Progesterone hormone, and secretory phase, that is progesterone hormone. Proliferative phase, that is estrogen. Follicular phase, FSH. Luteal phase, that is LH, called LSL. What is menarche, menopause, and menses. So revise all the important